What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. Gonna go over Vechain, guys. This is a coin I decided to add to our dollar cost average strategy. So currently we're sitting at 0.0972. We're down about 0.96 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 6.13 billion, 24-hour volume 478 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're having a nice little bounce right now for Vechain. You can see here I posted this yesterday in the Discord, our VET chart, and I gave a bounce zone right at 0.090. And if we can see on the chart, where did we bounce? 0.090. So perfect call on that. It's not too hard, guys. You know, you just line up your bounce zones at levels of support. So we're seeing a nice little breakout. I have entered a trade here for Vechain. I didn't put my first buy limit here. I actually put it here. So I got in a little bit above, but I'll throw it up on the screen. If you want to trade with leverage with our strategy, you can check out my full link tutorial for Bybit. Up to $600 in bonuses. I get a little bonus too. $50 for making your first deposit within 48 hours. So if we do roll over, you can start dollar cost averaging 0.083, 0.070, 0.056. We'll bring your average price down halfway each time and you get ready to ride the slingshot back up. We have an inverse head and shoulders. Here's your left shoulder, guys. Here's your, whoa, sorry. Here's your head and here's your right shoulder. Oh man, my mouse is a bit sensitive here. So if we can come up and break this neckline for Vechain, it's a pretty large breakout target, guys, for VET. And would bring Vechain all the way up. I love how that works to our take profit level at 12 cents. So from this breakout, that's a juicy trade of 20%. And if you got all the way in from all the way from our bounce zone and we get all the way up to that take profit, that's a 34% trade for VET. Do watch this level here, 0.098 could definitely act as resistance for Vechain. So if we pop over to the daily time frame, a couple of patterns here, guys. So we have this large symmetrical triangle. We broke down, but we might see a throwback. If you break out, you come back down into the pattern. You can have it when you're breaking out and you can have it when you're breaking down. It's called a throwback, where you throw back up into the pattern. You can see the RSI is absolutely in the floor, which signifies to us that we're going to see a bounce when we trend into oversold. As you can see here, we're oversold. Beautiful bounce. We were oversold right here. We had a beautiful bounce as well. Even here, oversold. Nice little bounce right here. Oversold, bounce. So we're oversold once again. So not financial advice, but we're around the optimal entry point for Vechain and many of the coins. Honestly, the MACD is in the floor here, so I would expect to see the bullish cross relatively soon. Now what I've done is used our Elliott wave theory, 5 impulsive waves. You have three impulsive waves followed by 2 corrective waves, and it gives you your bull run target with Fibonacci levels. Impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, your largest wave 3, corrective wave 4, and impulsive wave 5. And I've taken my Fibonacci from our swing high back in April down to our crash low here at about 0.042, and I'm targeting the 1.618 extension on this bull run, coming in at 0.090. And then we have the dream price at the 2 extension, which is coming in at 188, and the miracle price at the 2.272, which is coming in at about 315 for VET. But I do think we're going to see a nice little bounce here. We throw back up into this pattern, this symmetrical triangle. What you do is you measure the body of your triangle and you take it to your point of breakout. So that would bring us above this previous high for VET and take us up to about 32 cents, almost 33 cents here. So if we break out of that pattern, that's a juicy gain for VET of about 115%. If we hit some resistance, guys, you can set up your dollar cost average buy zones. It's 0.083, 0.070, 0.056, and I have one down here at 0.036. All right, guys, it comes down, it hits your buy zones, bring your average price down, you ride the slingshot back up. We have our take profit levels for VET. We have our first one here. I would only be looking to take a little bit of profits, maybe 10-15%. At about 0.098, we have 10 cents, 12 cents, 14 cents, and then the previous high at about 18 cents for Vechain. That's it for this one, guys. Shout out to the Discord if you want access to these charts at all time. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. You also have access to over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. Incredible members in here posting all kinds of goodies, as well as a full explanation of the DCA trade strategy. And it's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. All right, check out crypto.com, Bybit as well. That's the platform I'm trading on. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.